Gators don't want to eat you. Gators are not interested in you. I've had this told to me by several people. Crocodiles are different. Alligators, this is what, like, really salty, good old boys out of Florida and Louisiana have informed me. But here's what I suggest. Thank you, Chuck. Here's what I suggest. First, you're doing this on the shore. All right? You're addressing a problem on the shore. They're not going to come up to you on the shore. They're not interested in you. Okay? But if you suck up a bunch of grass and you're in the water and you are like, you're stuck. Now, I've had this happen. I have had this happen to me. All right? Where the water level's low. I was in the St. Johns River. Water level is low, and we just chopped up so much vegetation. We were absolutely just inhaling all of this grass, seagrass. So what we did was I jumped in the water, and we had one guy circle me whose ski was working. While I jumped in the water, I had one arm on the gunwale, and I reached in and grabbed the grass out of the intake pump or out of the intake grate. Clearly, the ski that I am clearing out was not running. Turn off the engine. I know I probably should have started with that, but for me, it was obvious, but not a lot of people will know it was obvious. So, if your ski is clogged with grass, have your buddy circle you, not fast, just idle around you. Okay, that engine is making a lot of noise. It's going blah, 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 blah. All right, even if it's a naturally aspirated Yamaha that's getting really good gas mileage, it's still making noise. You jump in and start grabbing grass from underneath from the intake grate. Okay, if that's the case. The only creatures that I know that water moccasins will not go to noise like that. Now, if you're swimming in the water, a water moccasin will charge you. But okay, Hunter, you're saying in Canada we worry about deadheads and moose. Will moose charge you? Moose won't charge you if you're in the water trying to clear out your pump. Yeah, moose won't come after you. So, I think you're in the clear, guys. And if you make noise, you got a ski going around you. I don't care if you're out. Well, no, because the engine makes all sorts of noise. And I was going to make a joke about South Africa where all the great whites jump out of the water and eat seals. But the great whites won't even come out after the boats unless the boats are chumming. So I think you're in the clear, guys. Of course, you're out in the ocean. Yes, moose kill people on land, but they don't charge after you in the water. This is what we're talking about. If you're antagonizing a moose on the land, I got nothing to say to you. Go antagonize a moose. Go right ahead. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.